Praise the Lord for the life I'm living. Big Smoke Records alive and kicking. Dinner in Milan with the finest women and none of us sexing. Now I'm just chilling. Your taste level is my waist level. You ain't never heard of the wine I'm sipping. Heard you say this year's your year, then you better hurry up, boy. Time is ticking.
No, I won't forget all the promises you.
Yes, lads, welcome back to another day in the life. Tomorrow, we are off to a hotel, an expensive hotel. So the content's going to be there, boys. The content's going to be there. But we are currently on live with a potential USD JPY setup. What's the chat saying? Oh, the chat is going wild. The chat is going absolutely wild. Oh my God. Wow. We've got 66 man in here. We did get banned on the first live, which wasn't ideal, so we had to go live again. But yeah, potential here on USD JPY. We've had a really good start. We've had a really good end to February, boys. Absolutely unbelievable end to February. I mean, all of the boys can vouch for that. It's been unbelievable. Now, we're on a bit of a losing streak, but is what it is. Game's a game. Can't always win. If you could, then we'd all be fucking rich. But yeah, wins are probably coming in shortly, I reckon. Potentially today. Potentially today, boys. So we'll see if this sets up. But for now, I'm going to be live on the old tickers for another half an hour, maybe even more. Who knows? Who knows? So yeah, see you in a bit. Right, boys, we have entered a trade. It's not USD, it's not Euro USD JPY, which you saw setting up this morning. It is Euro USD. So we are in a buy position here. I'll show you the analysis once it either hits stop loss or TP. I'll be completely transparent with you boys. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Cameraman, how are you feeling? This will guarantee a payout, won't it?
Will guarantee a payout, and I'm feeling confident.
You're feeling confident, yeah?
A few losses in a row, but this is the one to turn it around.
What's the best strat in the game, mate?
P&P strat.
Come on.
Best strat in the game.
Love it. Let's go, boys. The losing streak is over, boys. The losing streak is well and truly over. EU has fucking ripped. We were so close to stop loss as well. Holy shit. I thought that was going to be another loss, but we are here. We are fucking back. Cameraman caught this one as well. A few boys in the VIP did. It was quite a risky trade in terms of it was a little bit choppy on the 1 hour. It was still technically bearish, so the technicals were all there, but it was just a very choppy price action overall. But I will drop the analysis for this trade on the YouTube video, but I'll give you guys a quick run through as well of why we took this trade, what happened, etc. But yeah, there will be a full video of this trade breakdown on YouTube at some point. So yeah, it's the next day now, boys. We are in VIP, as you just saw, waiting for few little bits. We've got EU is bullish and UJ is bullish, so we're going to be taking a buy on one of them if anything sets up. Obviously, it's not a guarantee. It's never a guarantee, but yeah, today we're off to the hotel. It's going to be sick. Spa hotel, nice little relaxing break after the losing streak that we were on, but we're not on that anymore, as you've seen in this video. Fucking beautiful win. So yeah, actually I need to break that down for you in this video, so I will do that in the next clip. I won't forget. Okay, see you there. So this is yesterday's trade analysis. You can see that we were on a downtrend on the 4 hour time frame. However, we shifted structure to the upside, so we were technically looking to catch a higher low in the market and catch the higher high move, which is essentially what we did. We caught this big bullish candle here, and then moving over to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour was a little bit choppy here, but overall we had the shift of structure and never had a candle closure below the last previous valid low in the market. So we were still bullish and essentially looking to catch the higher low in the market again. But granted, it was quite choppy. We then came down to the 5 minute as always, and this was an Asia sweep framework. We can see this was the bottom of Asia. If I turn the sessions indicator on, you can see pink is Asia, blue is London. So we came down, swept Asia. We then had this really nice displacement move to the upside, shifted structure, retraced into EQ, had a 1 minute inversion fair value gap, and then we simply targeted 2 risk reward with stop loss below liquidity, and bang, the trade came in. The full analysis, really in-depth analysis, will be on the page. I'll be posting that today, so that will already be up on the page by the time you guys see this video. So go and watch that if you did want to see the full in-depth video of that breakdown, because this was just a very quick example. But yeah, let's crack on with the day. Right, lads, a little update. This is how Euro USD is looking right now. We are close to shifting structure, to be fair. However, it is currently 11:13 a.m. and there is news at 1:30, so 11:30 will probably be our last entry. So it's unlikely that we'll get a shift and then a retracement in time But we'll see. Obviously, I'll let you boys know. Potentially after news, it might come down, or might shift structure during news and then come down and give us an entry. So you never know. But yeah, oh, actually, it is looking like it might shift. So yeah, well, I'll let you know it either way. Yes, boys, we're off to, well, we're going Canterbury first. Let's get the automatic boot open. Come on, Aura farming. Don't mind me. But yeah, we're going Canterbury first, and then we're going to, it's called the Cave Hotel. Some of you might know about it. If you've got girls, you might have taken your girl there. You never know. But yeah, we're going there. It's a spa hotel. That's what I fucking need after this 5 losing streak. Although we're up, boys. We're fucking up. 50k account passed, despite having 5 losing trades and 1 winning trade. That's what account management, risk management, discipline, account rotation does to you. Okay, so yeah, it's all about. Oh, you got bags as well. But yeah, let's crack on. Right, boys, so this is how the trade went. We didn't quite get a tap in. As you can see, we were close to a tap in, but we didn't quite get there. And now we are literally an hour until news, so we're not going to be taking any trades now until after news. Potentially, if this continues to rise and then after news we can have a retracement into the new fib range, potentially we could have an entry, but we'll see. Until then, we're going to drive to Canterbury, and yeah, by the time we're there, by the time we're there, news would have hit, and then we can see if we've got any entries. But if not, we're just gonna have a wander around. Well, we'll have a wander around Canterbury anyway, but yeah. So yeah, let's get to Canterbury. Yes, boys, so we've just been to Canterbury, we went in a cafe, had a nice matcha, beautiful. Insert picture of matcha here. Unbelievable. We had a strawberry and a, what was the other one? Pistachio and white chocolate. Matcha, slapped. I'm a bit of a matcha guy, what can I say?
Bao buns.
Yeah, and bao buns. And we have entered that Euro USD trade. I'm in on a few evals, so we'll see how that goes. A few of the lads in the VIP I saw in it as well. Because after news, we tapped into the fib about half an hour after the news, and they gave us an entry. So yeah, we're in that. We'll see how that goes, and I will analyse that or show you guys the setup once we're at the Cave Hotel. So right now we are en route to the Cave Hotel. So we'll see what it's saying, boys. See you there. So this is the trade, boys. As we can see, we're in slight profit at the moment, but I'm targeting up there to pass a phase 1. That is the 2R, which will be on the lives. So I've got 2 different profit targets, but that's the 2R. That's about just under 3R, but that's to pass a phase 1 in one trade. So I have to target a bit more, because you have to target basically. So max daily drawdown is 4%. So I have to risk 3.7% to make sure that I'm not hitting that 4% max daily drawdown. So I have to target a bit over a 2R. On this one, it's a little bit more because I can't remember why, but it is a bit more. I can't remember why it's 2.9. I think it's the last trade on that account, I think, before I blow that account, because it's a bit in drawdown. So yeah, that's that. But then obviously the main thing is the live accounts that we have at 2R, which is the main thing, boys. So yeah, that's that. But here we are at the Cave Hotel. Let's get in there, see what it's about. All right, come on. Welcome to MTV Cribs. Come and have a look. Here we are, boys. What a fucking gaff, by the way. I think it's some waterbed, look.
So comfy.
It's unreal. Look at the size of the TV, boys. We've got like a fucking 70-inch TV in here. Come and have a look at the workspace. We've got the trade running in the background. Slight profit, but it's moving slowly at the moment. Get that shit closer. Get that shit closer. But yeah, Moretti in hand. Gonna go hit the spa soon.
Oh.
Cheers. Gonna hit the spa, let the trade run out, see what happens. Golf courses out there. Not gonna have a round of golf today though. Nice little balcony. So yeah, this is the life, boys. This is the fucking life. Yes, boys, got the spa to ourselves. Got sauna over there, steam room over there, hot tub, pool, bliss, and you can actually see out here. Right, let me. There's people playing golf, so we can just watch people fuck up on the golf course. Yesterday we watched a bloke take 3 attempts. Little cheat. But yeah, here we are. Let's get it, boys. Right, boys. Update on the trade. EU has smashed stop loss. Come on, what a beauty. But do we care? No, because what did we receive yesterday? Or actually just now? We received the past account from yesterday. So if you guys didn't know, we were on a 5 losing streak. We won 1 trade and I gained 50k in equity. Ask me how. Purely discipline, knowing how to account rotate and constantly reinvesting into funded accounts every single week. If you guys are out there sat watching this video and you've got 1 or 2 funded accounts, how can you expect to get anywhere with that? You're going to be under leveraging, under risking on every single trade that you take because you're going to be babying those accounts and wanting to keep those accounts because it's your only 2 accounts. If you are constantly getting new accounts every single week, whether that's 10Ks, 25Ks, whatever your budget allows, you are almost guaranteeing yourself funded capital, literally guaranteeing it. I mean, I've lost 5 trades now, won 1. I don't really show many certificates that much anymore, but this one's an important one because it goes to show that with the correct discipline, risk management, account rotation, etc., and constantly reinvesting, you can still pass accounts. I mean, this is 50k in equity after a 5 losing streak, just by winning 1 trade. Not many people are doing that. Most people are just blowing all of their accounts. But because I'm constantly reinvesting, it's paying off. We are going for dinner, getting some drinks and just chilling. So I don't know how much of this I'll record because obviously we just want to enjoy it, but we'll probably get some videos of the food and some of the drinks. But yeah, we're gonna go there and I will probably see you boys tomorrow morning. So I'll see you there.
I just try acid for the first time, I feel good.
Treasure brain, misery, codeine in my delivery. I pulled up in a big beat, swerving like a hippie. Moving with the dopers and pushers. In the rover, ducking undercover, hugging the interstate. Cupping a couple cakes, the drum hanging under me. Got a chain hanging over me, God watching over me.
Good morning all. It is the next day or the next morning. It is currently 8:30 a.m. We are waiting for a potential tap into the fib on EU. So quite a few trades. We took one the day before, which obviously won. We took one yesterday, which lost. So if this one wins, we'll be up 3R literally this week. So yeah, it's looking good. We're gonna go sauna, steam room, pool this morning, and then go have some breakfast. Dinner last night was absolutely unbelievable, as you can see from the videos. Literally probably some of the best food I've ever eaten, but probably the biggest bill I've ever had as well. But that's not the point. Yes, boys, so it is currently Monday. So we filmed this on Thursday and Friday, and it is currently Monday. So on Friday, we actually took an extra trade, which entered at 3:02 p.m. So obviously we all know that the last trade that we normally take is 3 o'clock, but this was a perfect trade setup, as you can see. We had sweep during New York session down here, 5-minute impulsive move, retraced into the fib, and then entry was just after 3 p.m. So we took it, pulled out at about 1.5R at about 8 p.m. So that was that trade, and now it's Monday today, and we have just caught this absolute banger on EU, as you can see here. So this is another 2R. So that saves us for the video massively because we were break even, then we hit that 1.5R trade in the evening, which I didn't film because I was driving home from the place where we went. And then we hit this one today on Monday, and I thought I'd just include that in the vlog because it's transparency. Win or lose, I would have included this. So yeah, 3.5R up for the video. Not bad. And then I will show you the data now. So the data's on screen here, as you can see. So these are the trades that we took during this video. I will highlight them here. So you can see we took a win, 2 losses in the video, 1.5R, and then a 2 today. So yeah, good start to March, obviously, with today's trade, with 2R up. All of the boys got involved with this. Chuck them all on the screen to prove that we all got involved. A few of the lads also got in on the 1.5R trade as well. Cameraman secured a payout with that, didn't you?
Certainly did.
How much payout, mate?
$600.
Quality stuff. So if you did enjoy this video, boys, make sure to leave a like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. And I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.